Hi, it's Huda Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to you new viewers. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and as well as the notification bell so you guys get notified anytime I post something new. So for today's look, I decided to do a coral look because coral is or has been a color that I have been obsessed with for a while. So I wanted to do a look based off that. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so for this look, we're basically only using 3 shades and kind of 2 shimmers, but the focus is on these 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette. So we're gonna start off, I should have kept the palette up, with this shade here. So I'm using a Morphe M456 and I'm going to blend that into my crease. So using the same brush, I'm gonna pick up a mixture of these 2 here. Picking up mostly this shade and a little bit of this one. And we're going to put that on our outer V, slightly blending that into our crease. Okay, now we're going to use a Morphe M441 brush and we are going to go in with this slightly coral orange shade here and we're going to put that above our crease, blending all of that. Okay, we're gonna go in with this shimmer shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This one in the corner. Has like a coral tangerine type color. So we're gonna use that and put that on our lid, blending that in with the shade that we use for our outer corner. So we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty palette and we're going to go in with Crave. So it's the gold shimmer in this palette. This shade here. Using our finger again and putting that just over top what we just did. Okay, so with that, I did barely tap into the shimmer shade from the Huda Beauty palette and barely tapped it on top of the shimmer shade we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just to kind of add a little bit of a yellow, like glitter glow on top of the tangerine shimmer. Okay, using my NYX matte liquid liner, I'm gonna do a very thin line on my lash line. While this dries, I am gonna go in with my foundation routine. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with a neutral brown. And use that with a Morphe M431 and just blend that on my lower lash line. Okay guys, I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and now I'm going to go in with my blush and contour routine. So for my lip, I'm going to go in with a combination that I've used in one of my past videos. I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Cane's, and then my usual NYX Matte Soft Lip Cream in London. Guys, that was the final look for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as well as today's look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. It's 9:30 at night and it's literally 81 degrees. It is hot.